What's going on, guys? Freezer Bound Outdoors. Today we are taking a look at another optic for your rifle. This scope from CVlife. They have an Amazon store. They got tons of accessories, bipods for ARs, slings, scopes, whatever you need. It's a good budget-friendly store. So make sure you guys go check them out. I'll have some links in the description. Today we are checking out this scope right here. So let's get into it. Alright guys, as you see in the big box, comes as this right here, tells you which scope it is. So let's take a look at this bad boy. Alright guys, here's the spec sheet. I just wanted to show you guys, because I know before you guys buy one, you want to see what all it has. So let me just go through this slow here. So you guys can highlight it here real quick. Just so you guys know exactly what's on this. Okay, let's go check out their website. All right, guys, here is the scope that they sent me, the 3x9x50. Excuse me. As you can see, it right now on here is $74.99. But what I want to show you guys is their actual Amazon store. So right there is 4 of their scopes that they have and some prices for you. As you guys can see, very reasonable prices. As soon as she said this was getting shipped to me, it arrived in about 3 days. So the shipping should be very quick. Let me just show you guys here real quick. They got the bipods there. They got red dots. They got bore sighters. They got the slings, which I have 2 of their slings, and they're probably my favorite ones. They got a little elastic in them, so they're a little bit of movement. But let me go to the home page here. There it is right there. You guys can find their store on Amazon. But that's what I just showed you guys. Dot tactical. They got tactical backpacks. New release products here. There's the slings that I got. 15 bucks a piece. Like I said, you can see here the elastic on those. Tons of bipods. All kinds of great stuff. Anything you guys basically need is on here. So go over, check them out. The links will be in the description of this video. Get yourself ready for hunting season, guys. Let's go.